Hi, my name is Nandra, and today we are drawing the Spinosaurus. So Spinosaurus, its name means spine lizard. It's because they have a spine on its back. It's straight back to 1912 of a German paleontologist named Ernst Stromer discovered a spine of an unusual dinosaur, so he named it Spinosaurus. The posture is the spine on its back, and during World War II, the original skeleton had been destroyed from a bombing raid during an air raid, and so Spinosaurus didn't know for a long time until 2005 they discovered a beautiful head crush on its head. Until 2014, we've actually revealed the full real Spinosaurus and a aquatic quadrupedal Spinosaurus that they have the shrimps. I know it's kind of a bit sad that you Spinosaurus fans like the bipedal version, but in reality it's quadrupedal. So today we are gonna draw it. Now we're starting to draw the Spinosaurus, but before we do it, I'm gonna show you. I already made this sculpture. My first sculpture is this Velociraptor and the Protoceratops. The second sculpture I made is the Sahelanthropus and this monster, but I would like to call it the Plesiosaurus. And now we're starting to draw. The first of it is to add the guide length, so you need to start the head. Make a triangle shape. Make a two triangle shape that would fit the head. But this time, the bottom triangle is different shape. Now you're gonna make a curved line in here, and then you have to add a little triangle at the top for the crust. Now you have to make a big circle in the front and a big oval in the rear in the end. Now you do the limb. So the first limb is this. Draw a small oval and then draw a line and then make a small circle and then do another line for to be two limbs. Then you do the fingers. It's just simple. 3 pulling up claws each of the time. Do the exact thing in here. Now you do the hind limb. So the hind limb have a bigger oval. Then put the back legs in order. Do the same thing, but this time the feet is much smaller in posture. Do the same thing. And then you draw a big line for the tail. Now you make an arch shape for the sail. So it goes like to here, then go down a bit, and then go much higher, and going down very downly. Then you turn here and go to the bottom. Let's do the head. So you have to draw a line for the posture of the head. So you add the nose. You can add detail. Then you do the eyes. So the eyes is a bit tricky. Drawing a circular line and add some fairy details on the eyes. And then make some eye skin details. Then draw the snout of it by putting like this and going up and then going like the shape. Then the Spinosaurus And then you have to join it together. You can add teeth if you want it, but I'm doing the teeth. Now we're done for the teeth. Now let's do the claws. So it is like this shape going up, and add bumps on the bumps. Any bumps you could count. And put like this. Now you do the neck. So the neck is to connect the sail, and then this one is right here, then connect to the heel. And you can add some more details on it. Now you do the limbs. So Spinosaurus has a bit of muscles. So you put a line on each side. Then you do and connect it in this side too. Then you make the claws. The claw is like hook. They used to hook to grab. Used to swim underwater. If they walk on land, their hands look like when a gorilla walks. Make a hook. Another hook too. Another hook. Then I add the lines. You can add some like knuckles on it if you want to. Okay, make sure the outline, and then so you go up there, but sometimes there's a little bump, so just like here. Then you add some pattern if you want to, like some outlines of the sail. And do the same thing in here. And do the same in here. Like that. So you connect it to here. So sometimes you have to let it, like put a stick here. This is how your pelvis goes. So like here, and then draw like any tail you could do. To do the legs and a bit actually much muscular, so you put in this shape. Then you get a little bit, and you get bigger and a little bit thinner on here. Then you add the claw legs too. And you do the same thing. And do a muscle leg too. And after that you have to rub with the extra leg that we did. The outline of the leg and the hands. And just like, remove the guidelines. And then draw it back on. And draw the outline back. Like that. So now we done for our outline. So you could blow from it, or you can move it with your hands. But perhaps blow. Now we do the shadow. So sometimes you can do like this, getting lighter and lighter on each side, or much easier you can curl up in here in this posture. I perhaps doing like this. You can use this mode or this mode like this, perhaps doing the top. And some more details on the sails. And now we're done. So you can do any more shadows as you can. But then you can do any shadows. So all I should do is to wait then say anything, and I'll concentrate the shadowing. Now if you're done, you can stay like this. Or if you have this object, you could blend it in. You could. How you get it. So here you have it. How to draw a Spinosaurus.